Hello guys, good morning. So today we're going on Monad Testnet. So before you start, you need a wallet, preferable Phantom. You need a Phantom wallet preferably. So you go to this is the site. These are the dApps. On this site there are different applications on it that you have to use. That's just testnetting. So first of all, you need some fee for the gas fee. You put it in your wallet. You request for MON token for the gas fee. It may take a while. If this faucet doesn't work, there's a Telegram bot that you can get Monad. You can get Monad tokens from to use as gas fee. So the gas fee is used in testing all these apps you see on your screen. You can pick any one out of them and just test them. It will help you build transaction on the Monad network. That's the whole idea of this. So let's go with this. So Bebop is a site used for swaps. It's basically used for swaps. So you connect your wallet. Your Phantom wallet preferably. Click connect. Yeah, so now you can swap between any token. Maybe from you have MON on your wallet. So from MON to Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDC coin. So yeah, I have one MON on it. So I just chose to swap to wrapped MON. You can swap back and forth. Back and forth will help you build transaction on it. Will build transaction on Monad. So that's basically the idea. The more you swap, the more you do it on any of the apps, on the Monad page. If you go back, you see it on the Monad page. That would give you more transaction on it. So as you can see, it's confirmed I've received. So I tried swapping from Route Mon to Ethereum. Trying to fetch best price. Okay, seems like the route is not available right now. Remember, it's a test net. Sometimes there are bugs. Sometimes the site doesn't work like how you expect it to. So in when it doesn't work like how you expect it to, you can get another app. Just try and use another app here. Not all the apps are for swaps. Some apps you can create meme coin, you can buy meme coins, you can sell meme coins. Some you stake and stuff like that. So not every app, you don't do the same thing on every app on swaps. But I think swaps are easier though to if you need like if you want spam transaction in it. So I went with Covians. I don't know why right now some of these sites are a bit buggy. So this pump for gains on convenience, all you have to do is you link your wallet, then you go to refill gas. You refill gas. You When you refill gas, you have some MON on the pump for gains. Then when you do that, yeah, you can start tapping. It's a tap game. If you scroll down, you see the tapping. So at this point, the site was being buggy, so and I didn't have like faucet to claim. But that's what you do on convenience on this pump for gains. You deposit MON, then you start tapping. As you tap, your level increases. Click Monad Test to select the network. So yeah, connect wallet. See how this our server is out of MON. So yeah, you just try this like in your spare time. Once you have to refill gas, that is funding Monad inside your Monad test token. Where do you get Monad from? You get it from the faucet. Then once you you start tapping on the pump, it increases your level alongside. So I tried NAD. I think NAD is easier. There's one like it does not have any bugs or anything like that. So NAD test for fun. That's fun. So when you get to the page, you connect your Phantom wallet. Phantom is most preferable wallet for Monad Testnet, guys. So when you connect on NAD, you can buy, you can sell meme coin. It's just like it's that's the function of this NAD.fund. You buy, you sell meme coin, you can create your meme coin. So just doing all those create transactions for you on Monad network. So like you select your coin, so I select any. It does not have to be any special or preferable one. So now put the amount of MON I want to buy, 0.001. I place the order. And confirm. So that's basically all you do. You just pick any dApps, any dApp decentralized app. Just keep on doing transactions on there. If it's for swaps, you swap. It is to stake, you stake your MON. So all the idea is just to have transaction on the Monad network. So thank you so much for watching this video.